In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to refresh your skills, I've got you covered. To get started, open up your web browser and navigate to Asana's website. If you're joining us for the first time, you'll need to create an account, and if you're returning, you can simply log in. If you're creating an account, input your email address on the home page, and then click on the Continue button. Follow the prompts to enter your password, and before you know it, you'll be logged in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log into your space. Once you're on your Asana homepage, look for the option to start a new project. You will find that you can either use a pre-made template or create a blank project from scratch. This flexibility allows you to tailor Asana to your specific needs, whether you have a structured idea in mind or want to start with a clean slate. After choosing your project type, give it a clear and descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Then click on Continue. Next, you'll select how you'd like to view your project. Asana offers several options such as List View, Board View, and more to help you visualize your workflow effectively. Once you've decided on the layout that works best for you, click on Create Project and voila, your project is ready to dive into. Now it's time to flesh out your project with tasks. You can add individual tasks easily by clicking the Add Task button. Dive into each task's details, assign an assignee from your team, and ensure everyone knows their responsibilities. Adding a due date is essential to keep projects on schedule, and you can even break tasks further down with subtasks for more complex projects. To stay organized, head over to the My Tasks section. This area provides an overview of all your ongoing projects, allowing you to manage your workload efficiently. Take the time to explore Asana's features, as they can further enhance your productivity. For example, within each project, click on Customize to tailor your workspace further by adding forms, custom fields, and automated rules. Lastly, take some time to just explore the platform. Asana is packed with features designed to streamline your project management experience. The more familiar you get with it, the more you can customize it to fit your unique workflow and maximize efficiency. So that's a quick overview of how to work with Asana. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to managing your tasks and projects effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy planning with Asana.